Hey guys, it's Shawn Lowry here, the logger, and today I want to talk to you about how can you earn extra money on the side, even if you have a full-time job. Even if you got a full-time job like myself, I'm a logger, I got a full-time job, and I'm about to show you some ways that you can earn extra income while still having a full-time job. If you're just finding this here channel, like I say, my name's Shawn Lowry, I'm a logger, I got a full-time job, and this here channel is all about, if you like people that have full-time jobs and are looking for, extra side income, side ways to make money, you know what I'm saying? Or even replace your income, you know what I'm saying? That's what one of my goals is. That's what I'm doing. That's what my goal is. But like I say, there's a few different ways you can do this here thing. But first, you got to figure out exactly what you want to do. You know what I'm saying? That's up to you. That's your decision. What do you want to get into? If you want it to be online, I'm pretty sure you kind of want it to be online, because if you got a full-time job, you don't want to go take maybe a part-time job to go do some more physical labor or whatever to get by, because, that eats up all your time. But like I say, in my opinion, the best way to do it is to do something online, is to do a side hustle online, a side job online, a side opportunity online, But you got to figure out exactly what is that for you, because there's many things, there's many things out there you can do. But like my personal favorite, the thing that I'm doing is called affiliate marketing. That's what I do for side income online. Is affiliate marketing. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is just simply, promoting other people's products, and they paying you a percentage or a commission to do so. That's just as simple as it is, and there's different ways to market, other people's products, so, you can actually sell them, and then they end up, paying you in return, you know what I'm saying? And one of the big, I just had a bug fly on. Like I say, I'm down here in the woods right now, like I say, shooting this right here video, and and this is another way, that you can actually, leverage the internet to have your side hustle going on while you're actually working. Like I say, while you're watching this video right now, I don't know what time it is, but I'm probably cutting wood right now. That's what I'm doing. I'm a logger. I cut trees. Probably cutting trees right now, and you're watching this video, or I might be asleep, or I might be, out, fishing or doing what I do, and you're watching this here video, and this is how you can leverage the online, leverage your hustle that you got, leverage your, whatever skills that you learn, you know what I'm saying? But you first might have to, you might have to take a course to learn how to do affiliate marketing. You might take a course or get you a book, and learn how to do, affiliate marketing. Learn how to market different people's products, or learn what products to promote, what products to get out there and put in front of people. Because one thing I'm going to tell you about this here is with affiliate marketing, there's some products out there that you can promote, and they don't pay that much money. They might pay you, $10 or $15 or $20 when somebody, goes through and buys what you're buying. But I'm here to tell you, you can look into more higher paying affiliate programs, you know what I'm saying? Because it's going to take the same amount of effort, like I say, making your videos, you know what I'm saying, or doing what you got to do to get your, to get the product out there that you're trying to promote, So you might as well go ahead and start with a high ticket program, or a high ticket affiliate offer, because like I say, it's going to be the same amount of effort you're going to put in this thing to do something that's, pays a little bit or pays a lot, you know what I'm saying? And eventually you can have it where your side hustle makes more than you make on your current job. There's been plenty of times down here in the woods where I made more money on my side hustle with affiliate marketing than I made my whole day down here working, you know what I'm saying, with just a sale, just one person buying something. I made more money on my online program, on my online affiliate marketing program that I use videos to leverage to sell, for people to come out, get information, and sell. And I made more money, dropping one video out there than I have all day down here, busting my ass down here in the woods, you know what I'm saying? But that's why they say, everything's going digital. If you don't really know nothing about digital marketing or never even did it before, trust me, you can do it. You know what I'm saying? I barely did. I mean, myself, I barely made it out of high school. I'm telling you, they held me back, you know what I'm saying, for a little while during high school, you know what I'm saying, because I had some stuff that I, you know, kind of flunked out of, and I didn't really get it, you know what I'm saying? And they held me back. I mean, you don't got to be smart to do this here thing. You don't got to learn, you don't even got to know how to read or write to be able to do this kind of stuff right here. Like I said, I'm speaking from you as experience, like I said, because my spelling is awful, you know what I'm saying? And like I said, if you get tied up with the right hustle on the side, it don't matter, you know what I'm saying? It don't matter your education. You can learn anything, you know what I'm saying? But the best way to start out with affiliate marketing first is to learn about exactly how it works and how you can get your stuff out there. Like I said, if you stick around, like I said, at the end of this here video, or right about now, I'm going to drop down here, you know, a 4-part video series that you can go through, you know, and it'll kind of explain to you just how online money works, how affiliate marketing works, and how you can actually get started, you know what I'm saying? Because it's better first just, you know, instead of going out and trying to jump into something and sell something, you know, get the education first, you know what I'm saying? Get the education and kind of do it as you go along. Like I say, so that way, you know, you'll know the ins and outs and what to do and really what not to do, you know what I'm saying? But like I said, if you subscribe to my channel, you know what I'm saying? You know, if you like this here video, you can subscribe to my channel, and I'll be dropping a whole lot more videos like this. Like I say, I'm down here in the woods right now. Like I said, I took me a little break, you know, to drop this 5, 6, 7, 8 minute video. I don't know exactly how long I'm going to go. But like I said, I just, you know, took the time to drop this here video out there to give you this here information, you know what I'm saying? So if you're working on a full-time job and you just really don't know exactly what, you know, you want to do or what you can get into, that's legit. Like I say, I'm going to drop a 4-part video training series right below this here video that you can go and check out, you know what I'm saying? Dig your teeth down into it and see if it's something that you want to get into, you know what I'm saying? See if it's something that you want to get into, like say affiliate marketing, you know. And plus, on top of that, I'm going to drop down here in the description below this video, a free book that you can go out and acquire. You can get this here free book, you know. You just have to pay like the shipping and handling on it, which ain't but a few bucks, you know what I'm saying? But you can take this here book, you know, and it walks you step by step how to start a affiliate program, how to start, you know, making money online even if you don't have no experience, never done it before. Like I say, this is the book that I picked up, that I started, and that I'm learning from. And like I say, and when I'm getting my results from, like I say, I'm gonna drop that link right down here in the post, in the description below too, you know what I'm saying? So you can go and acquire this here book here also. But like I say, you know, that's a real good way, like I say, affiliate marketing. If you learn how to do affiliate marketing, I mean, you know what I'm saying, and how to actually market, you know, learn from the people that actually know how to market. I mean, you can do this here. Like I say, you can start earning this extra income while you are on your full-time job. You know what I'm saying? Just like I do. Like I said, all I do, you know, I put my stuff out there, you know, and throughout the day, I might look on my phone and check my notifications and see, you know, if somebody's checked out my stuff, you know what I'm saying, or bought something for me, or what commissions that I made, you know what I'm saying? And it's real simple once you do figure out exactly how to do it. But hey, guys, this is Shawn, Lowry the Logger. I hope y'all appreciated this here video, got some value out of it. And if you got any kind of questions, you know what I'm saying, I'm even drop my Facebook link down in the comments. You connect with me on Facebook, just drop me a message and say, hey, Shawn, I seen your YouTube video. I kind of want to connect, you know what I'm saying? Because if you don't do that, I won't know, you know, because I have a pretty good bit of people sending me friend requests, and I get a lot of inboxes, you know what I'm saying, in my messenger, you know what I'm saying, from different people wanting to know different things. But like I say, some of them, I don't know where they're coming from, you know, and I'd rather just kind of work with my people here off YouTube, because you already kind of watch some of my videos, you know what I'm about, you know what I'm saying, and it's a kind of an easier process. But hey, this is Shawn, Lowry the Logger, and hey, I hope y'all have a great day now, you hear?